Hi, I'm Kelly Homnick, and I am a DBC account executive. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you how you can save hundreds of thousands of dollars by doing a simple portfolio restructuring in DBC PortOpt. But first, a quick overview of our company. DBC was founded in 1980, and in 2002, it was acquired by SS&C. SS&C is a global provider of financial services software and outsourcing services, and it is publicly traded on NASDAQ. SS&C is located in 26 offices worldwide, has over 1,300 employees, and over $300 million in annual revenue. DBC is the leading provider in the U.S. for municipal financing structuring software, and our software is used for over 90% of all municipal bond issuance structuring in the U.S. All 10 of the top 10 investment banks use DBC software every day, as well as 24 of the top 25. In this demo, we are focusing on DBC PortOpt. DBC PortOpt is portfolio optimizing software, which matches liabilities with funding from securities. DBC PortOpt optimizes new portfolios of securities to meet known cash flows or balance requirements, and it re-optimizes existing portfolios for possible security swaps to produce a higher yield. Restructuring just one portfolio can generate savings of hundreds of thousands of dollars, and that is what I am about to show you. This is the main screen for DBC PortOpt. To the top right are the buttons that are used with this program. We are going to focus on the four main buttons: Portfolios, Liabilities, Securities, and the Optimize button. I have already input a sample client's information for the Portfolio and Liabilities buttons to save time. So let's take a look. The Portfolio button opens screens for defining the securities that the lottery is currently invested in. It lists each security as well as the details. PortOpt will determine whether they should be swapped for other securities in order for the lottery to have the highest return. The Liabilities button opens a screen to enter the prize money that needs to be paid out to winners each year. These numbers are listed in thousands. In this case, a lottery winner won $30 million and will be paid out over 25 years. Therefore, the lottery must pay the winner $1.2 million every year for 25 years. PortOpt produces the highest yield portfolio while taking into account that specific cash payments need to be paid on the required dates. Now, you may be wondering, how does PortOpt know what securities it can choose from to optimize the portfolio? The Securities button downloads open market securities pricing from our website to be used as the source for the optimization. The download includes end-of-the-day pricing for treasuries and agencies. If you have your own security information, then you can use that as well. Many lotteries are limited to what securities they are allowed to invest in. Under the Filter button, you are able to filter securities so that PortOpt will only choose from the types that you select. For example, if you are limited to investing in only zero coupon bonds, then PortOpt will optimize the portfolio with only zero coupon bonds. In this case, our client was restricted to treasuries, so this example will produce a new optimized portfolio composed entirely of treasuries. So again, to re-optimize your portfolio in PortOpt, you need to first input your current portfolio into PortOpt under the Portfolio button, then input your specific liability requirements into the Liabilities button, and last, place any security type filters in the Securities button. And then you are ready to hit the Optimize button. So here we go. And yes, it was that quick. PortOpt just optimized the lottery's current portfolio and created a new portfolio with a yield of 3.48%. Let's take a look at a report so you can see what just happened. There are many detailed reports within PortOpt that show specific information about the portfolio. For example, The portfolio cost report shows the amount that the lottery receives from selling the existing portfolio and the cost of the new optimized portfolio. This report will show how much extra cash the lottery generated by using PortOpt. So let's take a look at the portfolio cost report. The first few pages list the securities sold and the securities purchased. And the last page is what we really want to see. As you can see here, the lottery received $20.8 million from selling the prior portfolio, and the lottery paid $19.9 million for the new portfolio. That means that the lottery saved over $890,000 from doing this portfolio optimization. That money can be put towards state programs. This was just one example for one portfolio. Imagine over the years how much your state could save if you used PortOpt. And it's so easy. We challenge you to see if your portfolio is really as good as you think it is. Contact us today and we would be happy to put one of your prior portfolios into PortOpt so you can see how much money you could have saved. And going forward, you can use DBC PortOpt to increase your return so you can put those cash savings towards education and other state programs. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.